Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can make multiple accounts in one Discord. So how you can switch between multiple accounts in your Discord account. But all of that, it will be on your phones guys. So I will need you guys to grab your phones if you are watching from PC or any other tool. Just grab your phones and keep watching with me. So let's try this and let's continue our tutorial. Now, what I will need you to do first is download the Discord application on your phone by going to App Store simply, and then from there go to Discord like that. Here guys, you choose this first icon and make sure that you have updated it. So let's click on update and let's make it or keep it updated. So this step guys is really important so we can be on the same term, so no one is on the previous update and no one is like not having even the Discord in his phone. So after it's completed, click on open, and from here you have this page open. So click here and then click on your icon in the bottom right corner. So click on yourself, and from here guys you will have all of these options. So here you can log out, here is some support information, here's the account information, here is some extra informations, and yeah, here is where you can actually disable your account or delete your account. And there is multiple options here. So let's go back in here, and here guys, let's check all of these access details in here, or the menu. As you can see in the bottom here, you'll find logout. If you have another account, you can just swap by logging in into another account in your device. So logging out and then logging into another account, and after you do so, there will be two accounts actually connected to your Discord application. So after that, you will have, instead of this logout, or not instead, but at the top of it, you will find switch accounts. So just like that, you can switch between two accounts if you have them in your mobile. So that was it with today's tutorial guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.